Thank you for your time. Today, you'll learn how to use VisionWorks to model donations. Knowing how to model donations is very important when working with ideal planning candidates. Often, wealthy prospects and clients feel blessed and want to contribute, give something back by way of charitable donations. We've created a solution that we've called regular donation. Let's create a charitable donation. On the Joint tab, you can see that the Donations and Contributions buttons are disabled on the button palette. That's because donations and contributions are made by individuals because of income tax consequences. Let's click Bills tab. Let's create the charitable donation. You'd adjust the default amount of $1,000 to the appropriate amount. On the income tax return, you can see the charitable donation tax credit. Let's click the Solutions tab. We've created a solution that we've named Charitable Bequest. Let's go to the Entries tab and create a bequest. It would be made by way of a prospect's or client's will. You'd adjust the default entry of $10,000 to the appropriate amount. You can't change the year. It's always the life expectancy year. If you change it, the year that the bequest is made will also change. On the income tax return, you can see the charitable donation tax credit for 2033. That's Bill's life expectancy year. Let's click the Solutions tab. We've created a solution that we've named Bequest plus Insurance. Let's go to the Entries tab and create a bequest that's funded by life insurance. Let's click the Beneficiaries Donate Trusts entry. Because the bequest is paid by the estate, in the Beneficiary Trust table, you must remove any parties as beneficiaries of the policy. This will make the estate the beneficiary. Let's click the Death Benefit entry. You'd enter the amount of the death benefit. Because the bequest is paid out of general estate funds, the amount of the death benefit could be more than the amount of the bequest, or you could adjust the death benefit to the amount of the bequest. On the income tax return, you'd see a charitable donation tax credit for the amount of the bequest, the same as for the charitable bequest solution. Let's click the Solutions tab. We've created a solution that we've called Insurance Bequest. In this solution, there isn't a lifestyle donations bequest entry. Instead, the prospect or client would name the charity as the beneficiary of the insurance policy. On the income tax return, you can see the charitable donation tax credit. There's no longer a large charitable donation tax credit on death. Instead, the insurance policy premiums are tax deductible each year of the plan. The question is, which is more effective for the prospect or client? A large charitable donation tax credit on death or annual charitable donation deductions? The answer depends on a variety of factors, such as projected terminal income taxes, the number of years left before the life expectancy year, and so on. Let's click the Compare tab. To answer the question, you'd compare Bill's net worth projection for his life expectancy year for the bequest plus insurance solution with the projection for the insurance bequest solution. The net worth projection is the bottom line. Let's click the Solutions tab. We've created a solution that we've called Estate Issue. Let's look at the projection for Bill's estate. Bill plans to leave the cottage, which is in his name, to Bill Jr., his son from a previous marriage. The problem is that there's a large capital gains tax that must be paid by Bill's estate. As you can see, the projected liquid assets of Bill's estate are small. Most of Bill's income during retirement will come from his RIF, and Sue's the beneficiary of it. The liquid assets of Bill's estate, less terminal income taxes and other charges to his estate, such as probate fees, indicate that there will be a negative residue for distribution. This will present a major issue for Bill's executors. Of course, Bill could consider a permanent insurance policy. However, this might not be a viable option because of the cost of premiums due to his age, uninsurability because of the state of his health, and so on. In circumstances such as these, your prospects and clients can donate assets. Let's go to the Solutions tab. We've created a new solution that we've called Asset Donation. Let's go to the Will tab and model the donation of a piece of art that Bill owns. Let's open the beneficiary trust list and select Charity. Let's also select the Cultural Donation checkbox. Let's return to the Estate tab. There's a large change in the liquid assets of Bill's estate because his terminal taxes are much less. The overall impact of the donation on the negative residue for distribution is substantial. Let's click the Show Graph button. In the Solutions list, let's select the Estate Issues solution. To help prospects and clients understand the implications of their estate options, you can compare the two solutions graphically. Thank you for your time. We trust that this video has demonstrated how quickly and easily VisionWorks can help your wealthy prospects and clients make informed donation and estate planning decisions.